How's it going?
Good.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Do you need a receipt today?
No thank you. Just got my Starbucks and I'm currently getting gas right now. I got a venti iced coffee with 4 pumps of white mocha, and there's supposed to be sweet cream, but they forgot it, but it's okay. Still good, just not as sweet. And I got a sandwich. I need to stop getting the drink because apparently it has like the same calorie intake as a Big Mac, or like 4 Big Macs. I don't know, but love that for me. We are on our way to Atlanta, starting my car for some apartment hunting. So I will see you guys when we get to our first apartment.
I don't think it needs to be this big dramatic, like we're over, etc.
I am currently at the first apartment. It is 11:56. My appointment's at 12, so I'm about to walk up there. I do have to wear a mask, so I'm gonna bring that. And for this apartment, I'm gonna be looking at a 1-bedroom. Here we go. Little overview. Good sized kitchen. Obsessed with this huge fridge. Stainless steel appliances, dishwasher. I like these lights. On the right, you have a big coat closet. You can put your vacuum and stuff in there. Living room is a decent size with a ceiling fan. I'm not the biggest fan of those blinds, but you don't have to get curtains. It is ground level, so it's a little concerning, but I love the floor. Here's the bedroom, ceiling fan again, carpeted, big window. It is kind of small, but still a good size. And then going down this little hallway, you have an in-unit laundry, stackable right here. Kind of a weird location, but it's fine. And then we have the closet. It's like sliding doors. About the same size of what I have now. And then you enter the bathroom. I really like the shower. And you have pretty good counter space and storage. Yeah. Lighting up there. And then this door actually leads into the front of the apartment. All right, so my thoughts on the apartment. The leasing office gave me some information. I'm not gonna be sharing names because if I choose the apartment, my hair looks crazy. I don't want the internet to know where I live, so safety reasons, you know. So I loved the kitchen. I loved the hardwood floors to the living room. Non-negotiables for me is going to be like an in-unit laundry and a dishwasher and pet friendly, because I do want to get a cat later on. The unit that I actually toured was on the ground level, which is a bit concerning, but there are some more of this floor plan on different levels, so that's good. Also, plus to this apartment is the kitchen had like a double door fridge, which I wasn't expecting. I don't know if that makes sense, but like one side was the fridge and the other side was the freezer, and then it also had like an ice maker and then like filtered water, which would be very nice to not have to use the Brita. But yeah, but I definitely like this apartment a lot. I love the location. It's near a lot of fast food, which is like a little concerning, but it also has some retail under it, which is cool. All right, so my next appointment is in like 40 minutes. It's about 15 minutes away, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive over there because my appointment after that is pretty quick, so I'm gonna try to go in early for that one. So yeah, here we go. This is like completely melted. I don't even know why I got a venti. Right now it is 12:45, so I'm like 15 minutes early. So I'm gonna wait like 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna walk over to apartment number 2, see how I like that. I'm gonna be looking at a 1-bedroom and maybe a studio for this one. I'm not sure, just gonna be based on availability. All right, so you guys are going to see apartment number 2 now. All right, here is apartment 2. This is just an overview. This is the studio floor plan. I love the kitchen. The quality of this video looks weird because I filmed it on my phone in slow motion, so sorry about that. Now I'm walking into the living room. I love how it's hardwood floors all the way throughout. There is a wall dividing the living room and the bedroom, which is nice. And then there is a balcony. Nice little view. Now I'm walking into the bedroom. This was a pretty good size for a studio. There is a ceiling fan. Now I'm showing you the wall. And then right here is just a little coat closet for some storage. I wish this was at the front, but it's okay. And then walking into the walk-in closet, there was lots of storage in here, so I loved that. And then going into the bathroom, there was lots of storage here and counter space, a nice shower and a tub, and then another entry to the bathroom at the front of the apartment. This is still apartment number 2. This is just the 1-bedroom floor plan. When you walk in, there is a coat closet to your right, pretty decent size. There's also this built-in desk little nook, which is really nice. And then you can see the bathroom, in-unit laundry. This is bigger than the other unit. Then you have a bigger little island, kitchen. It's about the same size, honestly, as the studio. Some lights, the ceiling fan. Here's the living room. Now I'm walking over to the balcony. Nice little view of the pool. Now making my way into the bedroom. It is carpet. We have nice natural light in here, a ceiling fan. And then you walk into the walk-in closet, nice storage here. And then walk into the bathroom, nice shower and tub. And then it's just the same as the studio. Okay, just had to rush over to the next place because I'm already 5 minutes late, so I'm gonna talk really quickly. The last apartment I went to, apartment number 2, I looked at a studio and I looked at a 1-bedroom. Studio is probably what I would go with, but I really liked it. I liked the area it was in. I thought that apartment number 3 was walking distance, but it was actually just an apartment that I looked at online, and I actually don't have an appointment for it. So I had to drive to this one, and now I'm about to go in, and I'm seeing a 1-bedroom here. Little overview. You have a little closet right here where you could put vacuum, broom, coats. Big bathroom. This is the washer and dryer, which is stackable. And then you have a nice little walk-in closet. Camera does not want to focus. Love the decor in here. Lots of storage. And then here is the shower and tub. You got a nice big tub. The bedroom, nice space for a desk. This is decorated so nicely. Love the window. It is a little tight with this bed, and that's probably the queen. And then here is an overview from the bedroom. Once again, love the decor in here, love the windows, love the flooring. This unit has a balcony with a pool view. And then walking over to the kitchen, you have a little island, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, pantry. Really like that. And then more storage. Here is an overview of apartment 4. I was being really awkward because someone was with me and I didn't want to be talking in my video. So I really like the floors of this place. I love the kitchen. It's a nice living room. There's a ceiling fan. There's a little terrace outside. And now I'm walking towards the bathroom. It's a decent sized vanity, lots of storage, big tub and shower. And then there's a linen closet right outside with some more storage. Down the hallway, they have an in-unit laundry, which, you know, non-negotiable for me, with some more storage. And then there is a decent-sized bedroom with carpet. There's lots of natural light, another ceiling fan, and a very big walk-in closet. Apartment number 4, I really liked. I saw a fully renovated apartment in my budget, so that was very promising. It is currently 2:53. I have an appointment with my last apartment, apartment number 5, at 2:45, so already late, but it's 10 minutes away. So I'm gonna quickly go to that and then update you guys on apartment number 5. Overview of this apartment. When you come in on your left, there is a little coat closet. And then on your right, Right here we have the washer and dryer that is stackable. And then we have a little Nest Smart thermostat. We have a little dip for an island, lots of storage. This is a different kind of backsplash. I like the stainless steel, lots of storage. Like I said, I love the floor of this place. So it has this little round corner where you can put some bar stools, have a little dining area, maybe over here. Decent size for the living room. I love the windows. There's a nice little balcony with a good view. Bedrooms in here, it's carpeted. Nice big window with shades, ceiling fan. Decent size right here. And then we have the bathroom. So this is interesting. You have this door that closes the bathroom for like guests, and then you have this like sliding pocket door. This kind of reminds me of home because I used to have this in my parents' house. Let's turn some light on in here. Here is the bathtub and the shower. Very big shower. Big bathroom. Lots of storage. Love that. Nice counter space. And then we have a huge walk-in closet. Having some trouble focusing on that. Yeah, I really like this apartment. So it just leads out here. Oh, and we have another closet. Oh, this could be, oh, this is the linen closet. And then I think I forgot to show this, but this is like the pantry. Nice. Overview of the apartment. This is a different layout than what I viewed before. As soon as you walk in, on the right, you have your washer and dryer. And in this apartment, you also have the Nest thermostat. This one actually has an island. It's much bigger, and it has that little swoosh thing at the end. I'm not sure what that's called. Missing a light right there, but I wonder what that looks like. Kitchen is the same. I really like it. The backsplash is growing on me. Lots of storage. Coat closet in here. You could even put your trash can in there. And then you have a pantry right next to the fridge. This is a really good size. Lots of natural light in this apartment. Here is more storage. If I had this apartment, I would most likely just have this as my living room. I probably wouldn't do a dining area. There's a balcony of this with a lovely view of the parking lot. And then probably do like 2 bar stools here with backs on it as my eating area. And then in here we have the bedroom. I think it's a little bit bigger. Lots of natural light, 3 windows. There isn't shades in this bedroom. We have a ceiling fan up here. And then when you walk in, there is a pocket door to the bathroom, and then this door for like another entry for like guests. The layout of these doors are kind of weird, which is just like the other unit. Lots of storage for the vanity, lots of counter space. Me. Towel rack, shower and bathtub are the same. I love the built-in shelf right there, and I love how big the bath is. Linen closet is actually inside the bathroom this time instead of being right outside the door. And then we have the walk-in closet, which I can't tell if it's bigger. I think it is, but we love that. So this is a studio apartment. You walk in right into the kitchen. You get a full-size fridge. That's super nice. Lots of storage. You got some open cabinets, microwave down low. Oh, I just touched one of those door thingies. Then you have your oven and your stove. Lots of counter space, and then you have a little area that you can eat at. You have Nest thermostat again. Oh, washer and dryer are in here. I guess that's a big part. Very nice. You have some storage in there to store like some cleaning products. No room really to put like a vacuum. And then right here you have your pantry. You can store the trash can in there. Pretty decent size. And then 3 windows here. This is on the ground floor, so that's kind of sketchy. But I guess this would be like your living room area. You do get a balcony, and then this would be your bedroom. You do have a ceiling fan. So kind of small. You do have like remote control access and like Bluetooth music, so that's cool. The bathroom for this place is huge. You get a stand-up shower that's like walk-in, lots of room in here, lots of storage for the vanity, big mirror once again, and then you have a linen closet right here. I thought that the pantry door like led to this, but that's nice. And then you have a insanely big walk-in closet for the studio. I guess that makes up for not having a coat closet, but you'd have to keep like your vacuum in here, so that's kind of weird, but there it is. I just got home and I just realized I don't think I ever talked about apartment number 5. I really liked apartment number 5. I saw 3 different units for a 1-bedroom, and then I also saw 1 unit for a studio just to see the difference between the two, and I really liked the 1-bedroom for this place. So yeah, that is everything for this video. I'm gonna be comparing all the apartments now and doing some work before I apply. Hopefully I will hear back. If you wanna guess what apartment I got, comment down below. Also, if you recognize any of the apartments, please don't list the name. Just for privacy reasons, I don't wanna list the name. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to making a moving video soon. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.